Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Oppo K1, which is the most affordable phone with in-display fingerprint scanner. This is the first time I'm unboxing a Oppo phone, so peeling off the plastic and opening the box, firstly we have this leaflet which consists of SIM ejector tool and then some documentation. Oppo also included a clear case. Next we have the phone, which we will talk about in the later parts of the video. So also in the box we have the micro USB cable, earpod style headphones and a power adapter. So here I'm turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, and registration took quite some time, and once it's finally set up, the in-display fingerprint scanner unlocks the phone in a second. So it's not super quick, but it's definitely not slow either. We'll have to see how it works in dark environments. Coming to internals, in terms of storage, it has 64GB of internal storage and it has 4GB of RAM, and it's running Oreo right out of the box, which is kind of disappointing. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the camera and the earpiece is tucked inside the water drop notch. Then down here we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have power button, to the left we have SIM card slot and volume buttons. To the bottom we have speaker, micro USB port, noise cancelling microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. To the top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the back we have the cameras with flash and then the Oppo branding, and that gradient design on the back looks stunning. I've also quickly shot some camera samples and this is how they turned out. My initial impression is that the colors really pop in the images that comes out of this phone's camera, and zoomed in the details also remain. Overall it took really sharp pictures. These are the selfie shots, and wherever there's ample amount of light, the selfies turned out great with natural looking skin tone. In terms of weight, it weighs at 162 grams, so it's fairly light to hold in the hand. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 660 and specs on paper looks really impressive. So I'm really looking forward to review this phone. So if you have any questions or video requests regarding the Oppo K1, let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.